Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at how you can get Microsoft 365 for free in 2020. This is a pretty straightforward process, but I will have the caveat right now of saying that this will only let you use the Office applications on the web. You won't be able to download them locally onto your C drives. However, you do get a lot of functionality with the web versions of Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. So with that said, let's jump on over to the desktop. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is actually navigate over to office.com, and then you'll be presented with a couple of options here. There's the sign in option or the get office. Now the get office option will send you over to the marketing website where it will try to force you into a subscription or to actually buy the software itself. The second option over here lets you sign in with an email account. So if you've used something like Xbox before, then you'll have an account already, and in which case you can use that to actually gain access to some of these Microsoft Office 365 applications. So what you want to do is just click on sign in. And do not worry if you do not currently have an account, you can create one as well. So I'm going to go through and actually create an account just here. So I'm going to go with that Office Guy UK at gmail.com. Now I know I haven't used this email address before with Microsoft, so that is fine. I can then go ahead and give myself a password and click next. I'm in United Kingdom, I can just go put some details into here. And choose the year. There we go. Okay, we'll hit next on that. And now it sent me an email, so I'll just go and verify that. Okay, so now I have my code. I can go and type that in here. Would I like to be informed about promotions? No. Click next. Okay, so now I can create an account. I can just do this verification process here. And click next. Right, so we have free Office for web, Office online apps only, 5 GB of storage, and that's the current plan. Obviously they're trying to get you to upgrade, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go through some of these. Not ready to buy, get started with Office for free. I am. Work together with others in the same document in real time, which is this is a really good function of Microsoft online applications, and this is something that I find really useful for collaborating with other people, because you can all edit the documents at the same time, and every change is made live. So you can see what everyone else is doing. So it's really powerful. Obviously we have the OneDrive, which is also very good. And now we can get started, so we can just tick that, and there we go. So I can just get rid of this. This is now a brand new account with office.com, and in here we have access to Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To Do, Calendar, Skype. And I can click on more here, and we can see other things that we have. So Sway, People, Flow, which is really powerful, Forms, which is really good as well. So all of these applications are free to use, but anything you can't do is install the Office locally, because obviously you need to pay for that, and it wants you to buy the Office itself. But you can use all of these applications directly here, and I can create a blank Excel document, for example. Okay, so now we have a blank Excel document in the web, just on the OneDrive, and we have a lot of functionality here, not quite the same as the desktop application, but still very powerful, and they are constantly adding new functionality into these web versions as well. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you go about creating a free Microsoft 365 account and having access to things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, etc. Now obviously it's not the full functionality, it's not something that you can download and use on your C drive, but it's definitely a huge step in the right direction to actually have some of these applications available to everybody for free, etc. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, please click the like button and hit subscribe. It does mean a lot to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.